Start with the name of great Almighty Allah, who is the most kind and the most merciful. Honorable dear President, Chief Guest, dear Principal, teachers, and my dear colleagues, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As we have gathered here to celebrate this special occasion, I am honored for being given the opportunity to speak on the importance of topic of education. To begin with, the term education needs no introduction. We are aware it means since in childhood. The term education is simple to the speaker right, through in broader perspective and emphasizing specialized in perspective degrees. Respected Chief Guest, we cannot ignore the importance of education as we see in our society a lot of social issues just because of lack of education. Social issues such as inequalities, religious differences, and so many other problems is because of lack of education. Dear fellows, proper education helps us to maintain social and physical standard in our life. Our friend make us to maintain in the home because home is the first educational institute where we learn how to behave other skills. However, education is very necessary in every field of life. Respected teachers, through education, we learn develop personalities, mental skills, moral and physical power. Educated people are better able to fulfill your dream and comprehension of other and uneducated people of the society. Respected listeners, in such a modern technological world, there is no issues among the poor and uneducated people of the society. Thank you for listening. Wassalam.